Now I am going to install kill switch on CBZ Xtreme. Remove the headlight assembly safely. Second thing, we need to find out the connector which is coming from the lock set. Exactly right here. Install the kill switch according to your convenience. Cut the lock set wire and join it with kill switch wire as shown in the video. It is very simple process. I think most of the Indian intelligent people will learn how I merge two wires. We need to cut this wire which is coming from the lock set. Don't cut another wires. Installation process is completed. Now let's test the kill switch. Yes, it is working perfectly fine. Reinstall the headlight visor assembly perfectly and safely. If you people like the video, please do subscribe, comment down below, like and share my video. Goodbye.